In 2021, Taco Bell, which has over 7,000 restaurants in the US, built an order delivery app to facilitate restaurant deliveries using a serverless AWS pipeline. This allowed Taco Bell to fulfill orders on time and scale up to 300,000 orders per hour at a very low cost. And they only used 4 AWS services. Which ones? Let's find out. Number 1, when the customer places an order on Taco Bell's mobile app, it talks to Amazon API Gateway, which is a fully managed service that allows you to create, publish, and secure APIs at any scale. You can build RESTful APIs that are optimized for serverless workloads and HTTP backends using HTTP APIs. Number 2, the customer order event gets forwarded to Amazon Event Bridge, which is a serverless event bus. It allows you to create point-to-point integrations between event producers and consumers without needing to write custom code or manage servers. Number 3, Event Bridge integrates with AWS Step Functions, which allow you to use code to process data on demand with large-scale parallel workflows. The service offers visual workflows for event-driven architectures. Last but not the least, number 4, Step Functions trigger AWS Lambda functions for validating and processing the event before accepting the customer order. Lambda is an event-driven compute service that lets you run code for virtually any type of backend service without managing servers. Did you know that you only pay for the compute time you consume, and there is no charge when your code is not running? In summary, by leveraging AWS's serverless architecture, Taco Bell was able to deliver customer orders on time and at a massive scale. There you have it. If you like this video, then you're going to love this one.